To create a secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy M17e is easy. You're going to open up the Settings app and then you're going to scroll and select the option Security and Privacy. From here, you're going to tap on More Security Settings and then simply select Secure Folder. Next, you want to go ahead and just tap on Continue and then agree to these permissions for your secure folder, such as access to calendar, contacts, and all sorts of things, and tap on Continue, and then wait for your secure folder to be created. Once it's been created, you now need to set a PIN, password, or pattern. So go ahead and choose one of those options, and then enter create it for yourself for that secure folder. You can also choose to allow lock reset with Samsung account, which means if you forget your PIN, password, or pattern, you can simply use your Samsung account to reset the secure folder so that you can be able to access it. So you can choose to disable or enable, it's up to you. And if you have any registered fingerprints, you can also choose to add them to your secure folder. Then you can tap on next. And now you can choose what happens when your secure folder is locked. Bear in mind, even if you select one of these options, you can still be able to customize it later on in the secure folder settings. Then just tap on next. And you should then be brought to your secure folder. So you can see how it looks like. And when you lock and exit your secure folder, you'll be able to find it on the home screen or in the apps drawer, ready for you to access and use. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.